From mini projectors that create cinematic magic to robotic window cleaners, the future of tech is here. Come along as we explore some of the coolest gadgets you can buy on Amazon. Number 10. At number 10, we've got this card blocker credit card wallet, a slick solution to wallet chaos. Tired of rummaging through a jungle of cards and cash? Say hello to this sleek wallet that keeps it all together. With a built-in card holder accommodating up to 6 cards, just press the button for an elegant fan-out effect, instant access, no fumbling. Safety first. It's equipped with RFID protection, shielding your valuable data. And that's not all, folks. A handy money clip awaits on the flip side for your bills. Crafted from genuine leather, it screams premium. Gone are the days of digging through your purse. This mini wallet boasts a clever slide lever for quick card access. And trusty aerospace-grade aluminum fights off those sneaky scans. With a blend of metal, carbon fiber, and genuine PU leather, this wallet isn't just functional, it's a fashion statement. Your pocket's new BFF. Number 9. Meet the Chovery Window Cleaner Robot, the ultimate solution for crystal clear views without the hassle. Say goodbye to the frustration of smudged windows. Getting started is a breeze. Attach the pads, plug in the cords, and press the device onto your desired smooth surface. Thanks to super suction power, it's locked in place while the robot gets to work, covering 10 square feet in just 3 minutes. Impressive, isn't it? For the perfect finish, 2 sets of microfiber pads do the trick. Whether you're aiming for a dry or wet clean, spotted a stubborn smudge, the remote control's got your back. AI technology calculates the optimal cleaning route, ensuring every inch shines. We love technology on this channel. Safety? Covered. A 4-meter high strength lanyard and anti-falling control algorithm keeps things secure. Plus, automatic edge detection prevents any accidental tumbles. Get your hands on this baby right now, cause your windows will be thanking you for sure. Number 8. Step aside, old school Rubik's Cube, and make way for the EX Mars Cube, the puzzle of the future. Brace yourself for a cube that's not just colorful but way smarter than you'd expect. Ditch the fading paint, these vibrant LEDs guide your way to victory. Newbie or pro, this cube's got your back. With automatic hints and a cool auto scramble feature, your solving journey just got smoother. To add to all that, customization is king with this one. Adjust sensitivity and brightness to your liking. But that's not all. Wake up to it as an alarm, roll it as an intelligent dice, or let it shine as decor. The possibilities are endless. You think that's all? Nope. Self-scramble, timed solving, and multiple modes await, making your old cube feel like ancient history. Number 7. At number 7, reinvent your hoverboard experience with the Hover 1 plus Falcon 1 buggy attachment, where safety meets F1 thrill. Ditch the wobbles and embrace the stability of a racing car, or, well, a buggy in this case. Installation? A breeze. Everything you need, screws and wrenches, come right in the box. With hand-operated joysticks on each side, you are the maestro of control. Independent rear-wheel drive? Check. Quick turns? Double check. It's not just a ride, it's a performance art. Adjustable frame length ensures a snug fit for all heights because, of course, comfort is key. But wait, we're not done yet. Cue the Falcon 1 attachment for the grand finale. Racing effects like fog and turbo LED lights make you the star of the show. Secure straps, full hand operation, and a dash of drama, Falcon 1 takes your ride from ordinary to extraordinary. Number 6. Next, meet the EBODA shower Bluetooth speaker. Your aquatic jamming buddy that's not afraid of a little waterworld adventure. This waterproof wonder laughs in the face of water, dust, sand, and even snow. Splash it, dunk it, let it dance around in the rain, it's all good. And guess what? The steamy bathroom ambiance won't cramp its sound style either. With IP67 armor, it can even take a dip up to a meter deep for 30 minutes and still come out singing. And there's more. LED light show, anyone? 5 light patterns turn your listening session into a visual fiesta. And if one speaker is cool, 2 is a party. Sync them via Bluetooth for that stereo oomph. Seriously, you guys, this one would make the perfect gift for anyone in your life. If these tech goodies have got you pumped, why not give that subscribe button a friendly tap? And hey, don't forget to ring that notification bell so you're in on all the action. Number 5. And now, introducing the RAK Hammer Multi-Tool, a pint-sized powerhouse that'll blow your mind. Don't be fooled by its compact size. This gem packs a whopping 12 tools into its sleek frame. Imagine a hammer that works as a screwdriver, or two types of screwdrivers, a nail claw, wire cutter, various blades, pliers, and yes, a bottle opener to quench your thirst for utility. Safety is the name of the game with its integrated lock, ensuring your tool will stay put while you work your magic. Crafted from uber-strong stainless steel, it's a trusty companion for your outdoor adventures. Size matters, but this tool nails it. Just a tad larger than a hammer or screwdriver, it's a space-saving marvel. And for the grand finale, a holster's thrown in for easy transport. What's not to love? Number 4. Get ready to meet a tiny wizard that will sit on your desk, the Cricut Joy Machine. It might be tiny, but its creative potential is gigantic. From cards and stickers to labels and lists, this cutting marvel has your back. Inside this tiny wonder, you'll find a razor-sharp blade capable of making precise cuts across materials like cardstock, vinyl decal, and iron-on. And let's talk versatility. Special pens bring lettering and designs to life effortlessly. Setting up is a breeze. Install the app, sync with the machine, and voila! You're ready to cut or draw anything your heart desires. Need a label, a greeting card, a celestial night sky? Plug it in, and in just 15 minutes, your masterpiece will be in your hands. Compact, clever, and your creative companion, the Cricut Joy is here to transform your ideas into reality, one cut at a time. Number 3. At number 3, we've got the Hoto Washer, your cleaning game's new MVP. Tired of battling grime in every nook? This powerhouse comes armed with a 20-foot water hose, giving you the superhero reach you've always wanted. Just hook it up to a water source, top off the tank with cleanser if needed, and you're armed for action. Featuring a versatile 6-in-1 multi-function nozzle, it's your all-in-one cleaning companion. From tires to plants, this high-pressure wizard adapts to any task. And you know what's the best part? No more cord struggles. It's cordless freedom all the way. Number 2. Coming in at number 2 is the InCharge X, your cable salvation in the world of smart devices. Say bye-bye to cable chaos. This cable powerhouse tackles Apple, micro USB, and USB-C devices, offering seamless charging and data transfer from any USB or USB-C power source. But wait, there's more. It's not just about charging. It turns your phone into a power bank. Juicing up your phone, watch, and earbuds with support for ultra-fast charging up to 100 watts, speed is the name of the game. Nifty magnet power thanks to the N52 magnet system ensures it sticks to your keys, backpack, or wherever you prefer. And for those who crave more, there's the max version with a generous 5-foot cable. We know what you're thinking. What can't this thing do? Number 1. And finally, step into the future of movie nights with the Nebula Capsule Projector, a pocket-sized wonder that turns any spot into a cinematic hotspot. Small but mighty, this portable powerhouse projects crystal-clear visuals on a screen that stretches up to an impressive 100 inches. That's not all. The built-in speakers boast 360-degree audio dispersion, engulfing you in the action. Feel like you're part of the story. Powered by Android 7, it's a device compatibility dream, ensuring a seamless user journey. Its soda can shape fits conveniently in your cup holder, making the Nebula Capsule your go-anywhere companion. Elevate your entertainment game and enjoy the ultimate movie-watching experience, all in the palm of your hand. Which of these mind-blowing gadgets has you itching to hit that add to cart button? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time.